Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is a wig review. TT Hair was kind enough to send me bundles to review for you guys. This is a 16, 14, 12, and a 10-inch closure 4x4. The grade of the hair is 9A. The hair is currently going for $54.99 on Amazon, and you can also purchase this hair on Prime. So I'm just showing you guys the bundles before I install this hair. So in the next clip, we're gonna jump right into it. And then the lace on this 4x4 is Swiss lace, so you can part it in any direction. I'm of course going to install it in the front. I did bleach my knots, and I also plucked the parting, not the parting, but the front a little bit. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I am doing a wig review. Again, this is from Amazon. TT Hair sent me some hair bundles and a closure to review for you guys. So I did make the wig as shown in the previous clip. This is how she is looking. I didn't cut the lace off, but I did went ahead and bleach the knots. I added my own adjustable, well, not adjustable strap, but elastic band, because I made a mistake and bought an extra large cap. And where? So this is her. I'm gonna try her on for you guys to so that you guys can see how she looks with the lace still on, if that makes sense. But I did shampoo my bundles because I don't know, I normally don't do that because I'm lazy, but I wanted to just shampoo the bundles. I did add a little bit of oil because the frontal, not the frontal, but the closure is not as like wavy as the rest of the hair. So I add a bit of oil so that I can get the frontal to look, the closure to look, you know, curly. And this is a 16-inch, and it looks fairly long on me, which I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and style her on camera. So keep on watching, and if you're new to this channel and if you like what you see, subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, let's jump right into this. Okay y'all, so I'm back with styling her. This is how she is looking. I did not glue her down because she is tight enough for me to wear her as a glueless part. And I did bleach the knots, and I just went ahead and go in with my Evian lace tint spray, and she looks gorgeous, honey. She looks gorgeous. Wow, look like it's kind of growing out my scalp. I did good with this bleaching the knots this time. So when I did my wig, I think it took me about 3 hours and a half, y'all. Normally it takes me like 5 hours, and I'd be like, oh my god, because I'm like, this is so tedious. But yeah, I did like I don't know what I did, but yeah, I just speed through it because I was like, I'm not about to spend my whole day doing this. It only took, I think I started, yeah, 3 hours and a half or 2 hours and a half, one of those, but I just know it did not take all day. After that, just so you know, if you do make a wig, I prefer you guys to bleach the knots before you make the wig. It's just so much easier. Once I bleached the knots, I just put it on my mannequin head and just made the wig. I said I'm gonna wash the hair anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's still wet because it's gonna get wet again. But let's jump into this wig review. I like this hair, y'all. I'm really feeling myself in this. It's cute. So I'm gonna read you guys the specs that they have on their site. And once again, TT Hair did send me the bundles in the closure, and this hair is really nice. I really like the hair, and the price is so cheap. The price for this, at the time it was $40, but right now it's going for $54.99. and this is a 16-inch, a 14, a 12, and then it comes with a 10-inch closure, and the closure is a 4x4. So the hair is a 9A. Okay, that's why I like it. The quality of this is really good. It's really good. And the knots, they bleached really good. I used a 30 and I left them on for about 25 minutes and it was nice. As you can see, it looks nice to me. I think I did a pretty good job. 16 inches, I'm 5'6", so it's like right underneath, well, just an inch past my boob area, and I think that's really nice. To me, it's really long to me to be a 16 inch. Y'all see how it's like it's almost down my back. So yeah, wave. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump into the specs on this wig. Oh yeah, I do have some things to mention. I almost forgot. So anyway, natural luster, duh, it's human hair. The lace is Swiss lace. The density on here, I did not use all of the bundles. It had a 12-inch bundles. So I started my wig at the bottom because I want as much length as possible. So I started at the bottom with my 16 and I went up with the 14. So majority of this wig is 14. So I can have length, and I used up all the 16 at the bottom so that I can have as much length as possible. And I only put in probably like 2 tracks of 12 inches because I wanted, you know, like I said, more, I wanted length. And then to mention, I was using a light brown cap. So when I do my 360, let me know if y'all see tracks or anything, because I doubled my tracks and I made them wider because I was lazy. I was trying to get this hair done. So tangling, I don't have any tangling with this. It feels so soft. This really does feel like a 9A grade hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys 360 on this wig. So this is the front, the side, and this is the back. And then I'm gonna do it again. Let me know if y'all see any tracks. If y'all do see any tracks, that's my bad. So I'm gonna jump into my final thoughts. So overall, let me fix my chair, y'all. Let me fix my chair. I gotta get into angle. We gotta get into angle. Can't be caught slipping. Slipping, no tripping. Okay, anyway. So, so my overall thoughts is I do like this hair. The only thing is, so when I was sewing in the 16-inch tracks, the mugs was so hard to kind of get the needle through. I was like, oh my god, like what the so just that's the only con with that, was that it was hard for me to get the needle through the 16-inch. And then I noticed that the 16-inch bundle was slightly thinner than the 14 and the 12, so also keep that in mind. And what else? The 14 and 12, those were easy to sew through, and I did double them, so I had to, you know, I took 2 tracks and, you know, put one on top of each other and sewed it to the cap. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. Just look it up. But yeah, the 16, I was about to be like, F this, I'm just gonna glue it. But yeah, I got through it. I only did like probably 3 rows of the 16 because I doubled them and I wanted length in this wig. So that's the only thing I wanted you guys to know. But overall, the hair is gorgeous, it's beautiful, and it's cheap, y'all. Like, how much do it cost? I'm about to look it up and see how much it costs if you was to get a 24, because I'm normally wear 24 inches. I love 24 inches. So I'm about to look that up. If this old phone of mine's just load. This is my old phone. I'm recording with my new phone, but okay. It's acting silly, y'all. When I do find out, I'll link it up there. So anyway, this phone is acting ratchet. That's why I got rid of it the first time. But yeah, overall, I do recommend this hair. So if you was to try it, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. But just keep in mind when it comes to sewing in those tracks or rafts, whatever you call them. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs me up. And yeah, I think this will be the last video that I upload, and because I'm doing 3 consecutive videos at one time, so this will be like the 3rd batch, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I have more wigs coming up. I have like at least 2 on the floor that I need to review, but I did a smoky eye and the shit just don't match. And yeah, we can't go out like that. But anyway, love you guys. Bye.